take a look at the Great Recession. This was the financial crisis that occurred between 2007 and 2009, and we'd like to know what the source of the problems were here for many financial institutions. And what it really boils down to is mortgage loans, and really the lack of repayment of these mortgage loans. So many borrowers could not repay the mortgage loans that they had taken out. And this was because for a long time prior to 2007, for a few years, there was what we call a housing bubble, in which case housing was essentially really cheap when it comes to the cost of borrowing. So many people were purchasing homes, obviously taking out this mortgage to get it. However, over time, homeowners found that they owed more on these mortgages than what their houses were actually worth. It's interesting because currently we could almost even say that we are in a little bit of a housing bubble with COVID. However, reverting back to the Great Recession, we saw that over time, starting in 2007, a lot of these homeowners couldn't repay these mortgages that they had taken out. So these lenders were left with unpaid liability or assets, right? Because they weren't receiving any of their money back. So all of a sudden they were crashing, and this was happening nation and even worldwide. So the source of the problems boils down to these mortgage loans that could not be repaid.